Hey everybody, we're going to be frying up some chicken today. So welcome to my channel. Stay with me. We'll be right back. We're going to get started right now. Before I actually fry my chicken, and this is a whole chicken, it's probably about 16 pieces. Watch my other video where I actually butchered it from a whole chicken. This is not pre-cut chicken. I like to pretty much brine my chicken first. I use water, salt, and hot sauce. It just helps the chicken get nice and plump and juicy. So all you need to do is pour your water in there. You're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours. And you want a good amount of salt. Don't think it's going to be salty because you're going to rinse it back off again, but it's going to help it brine. And I just like to use my trusty hot sauce. This is just regular old hot sauce I'm going to put in here. And I just shake. I don't measure. I just shake it up pretty good there. And let me grab a spoon here. Just want to give it a quick stir. And then from there, we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And we'll be back when it's time to marinate. Okay, our chicken has brined. We poured all that off. Now we're going to get our marinade going, and it's just going to be milk. Just pour your milk over your chicken. And then you're going to add some lemon juice. You can just buy buttermilk and do it, but I tend to like to do it myself with my own lemon juice and my own milk. That way I can control the amount. And you want to make sure that your buttermilk mixture is kind of thick, because you're going to leave this in here until you're ready to fry. So we'll be back when our skillet is hot and we're ready to fry. Okay guys, everything has been brined and marinated. We've drained our chicken here. We've got our seasoned flour. I have some garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and cayenne powder, along with some salt in here. Our chicken has already been seasoned by the brine and the marinade. Buttermilk marinade and hot sauce and salt was the brine. So we are now ready to fry it up, and I kind of like to use one hand to pick the wet chicken up and one hand to flour it so I don't have a real sticky mess on my hands. And we're just going to put it in here and we're going to let it fry, and when it's done we'll just have a taste. I'll tell you one thing, when you're using a large pot, cast iron pot like this, and you've got it full of oil, one good way to tell when your chicken's just about done, it will float. It'll come back up to the top. So, see, our oil is just about good and hot there. It's sizzling, and that's just what we want it to do. And we're going to put a couple of more pieces in here. And then we'll come back when it's about done, and we'll check on it. See you in a minute. And I just want to bring this in a little bit so you guys can see how this chicken is sizzling. We are almost ready to take it out. It's looking pretty crispy there. Give it a few more minutes. And over here I'm just caramelizing some carrots right quick to go with it. Probably throw in some broccoli, something like that. Okay, we are ready to pull our first few pieces out. Ooh, nice, crispy. You guys see that? Ah, I cannot wait. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And this was the chicken that I cut up. Please watch that video, how to butcher a chicken. This was a whole chicken that I cut up myself. I did not go out and buy pieces of chicken. I actually bought a whole chicken and cut it up. And I'm just going to keep going until I get it all fried up. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Give me your thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.